It says, consider the following. You have these people, they are standing in a row facing north. So all of these are standing in a row, they are facing north. So you have total 8 people. Total 8 people are there, and let's say all of them are facing north. B is not the neighbor of G, I will remember this. E is to the immediate right of G. Let's say G is here, all of them are facing north. So immediate right of G is F. Immediate right of G is F, and neighbor of E. So who is the neighbor of E? F is the neighbor of E. यहाँ लिखा है F जो है वो G के ठीक दाई ओर है और E का पड़ोसी है. तो F जो है वो E का पड़ोसी है. पड़ोसी एक इस साइड होगा तो दूसरा इसी साइड होगा. तो G F E जो है वो इसी ऑर्डर में है. आउट ऑफ दिस 8, दिस 3 आर प्लेस्ड लाइक दिस. नेक्स्ट, G इज नॉट एट द एक्सट्रीम एंड. दैट मीन्स डेफिनेटली G के इधर भी कोई ना कोई बैठा है. इधर तो बैठे ही हैं, इस साइड भी G के कोई ना कोई बैठा हुआ है. तो G इज नॉट एट द एक्सट्रीम एंड. A is 6th to the left of E. To the left of E, A is 6th. So this is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and this 6th position is where A is sitting. So A is 6th to the left of E. So until now I have this much information. Next, H is 6th to the right of C. Ab see where you have 6th position to the right of C here. अब या तो C यहाँ कहीं बैठेगा. If C is sitting here, let's say if C is here, so 6th position to the right would be 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. That means this is already occupied. C cannot be here. Alternate option. अब यहाँ पर एक चीज़ देखो कि you have already have 4 and 3, 7 places defined. You are only left with one more place. तो वो एक place या तो यहाँ हो सकती है या यहाँ हो सकती है, बीच में तो नहीं आएगी. So what if C is here? If C is here, that means 6th to the right would be 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. So this is the place where H is sitting. Now we have this much information. Also, it was given that B is not the neighbor of G. So B is not near to G. So this place goes to B. This place goes to D. So this is how we have made the sitting arrangement of this. Let's see the options. C is to the immediate left of A. C is to the immediate right of A. Right है A का. Left of A is incorrect. D is immediate neighbor of B and F. Not B and F, but B and G आएगा यहाँ पर. G is the immediate right of D. Immediate right of D is G. Yes. A and E are at the extreme ends. A and H are at the extreme ends. So this is incorrect. You have only C as the correct option. Done. Let's see the next one.